how to avoid unnecessary oil changes and maintenance costs. You're well familiar with the cost of oil changes nowadays, how they can be costly and time-consuming. So in this video, we'll be mentioning a solution for micfil technologies and how to avoid unnecessary changes and maintenance costs. We can start with a new oil barrel with clean oil engine, which we'll put in our system. The standard filters in the engine don't work the job. Let me explain in detail. In the engine, the lubricant oil comes into contact with soot particles, wear particles, fuel through leaks, and other substances that remain in the lubricant. Standard oil filters can only clean down to 10 to 15 or even 30 microns, and this doesn't take out moisture. The particles smaller than 10 or 15 microns and moisture will damage the seals and bearings over time. After some time, the oil needs to be changed. So how is the micfil bypass filter the solution? Micfil ultra-fine bypass filters take out contaminants down to 0.5 microns and absorb all the moisture and formation of acid from your engine oil or any other oils such as hydraulic oil, gearbox oil, compressor oil, etc. This leaves only very little small additives and particles in the oil, enriching the lubricating qualities of the oil, thereby extending the lifespan of the engine, gearbox, or hydraulic system. So as a result, no damage to the seal, no damage to the bearings. We recommend using oil analysis so we can better estimate when to change the oil. The benefits of a micfil bypass filter system: no unnecessary oil changes based on oil analysis, less oil consumption, lower maintenance costs on injectors, bearings, and other parts, and spare the environment for waste oil. Our website's address is www.micfil.com. Contact us at +49 0621 3129 408. Our email is info@micfil.com.